Hello everyone, this is video number 18 and today we will discuss question and answer of the lesson The Turning Point. Exercise A. Answer these questions with reference to the context. You have to do this exercise in your fair copy. I am discussing the answers. You just listen the answers and write the answers in your own words. I said I had not understood. Many students said that they too had not understood. Our teacher was really concerned about this, but he did not get upset by our response. Who said these lines? Who said these lines? The author, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, said these lines. Next question. What had the speaker and other students not understood? They had not understood the explanation of how a bird flies. Okay, what will be the answer? They had not understood the explanation of how a bird flies. What did the teacher do to help the students understand? Do you remember what the teacher had done? The teacher tried to give a practical example. How he gave practical example? He took the students to the seashore and explained the theory. So what will be the answer? How you can write this? You will write, he took them to the seashore and explained the theory again, while the students watched a flock of seagulls flying in the sky. You can write it in your own words. I am just giving you the key points. Now, exercise B. Answer these questions briefly. How did the teacher explain a bird's flight? Do you remember how the teacher was trying to explain? When I was teaching you, I told you that the teacher drew a diagram of a bird on the blackboard and he was trying to explain how the birds lift themselves, how the birds change direction, but then also the students were not able to understand. So after that, the teacher gave them a practical example and the teacher took the students to the seashore to further explain the principles of flying. So what you can write and how you will write? You can write, the teacher drew a diagram of a bird and talked about lift and changing direction. Then the teacher took them to the seashore to further explain the principles of flying. Question number 2. What did the students observe on the seashore? The students observed seagulls flying in a formation. The answer will be, the students observed seagulls flying in a formation. Question number 3. How do a bird's wings and tail help it fly? Do you remember? Bird's wing help them to lift themselves and tail help them to change the direction. So how you will write this answer? You will write, a bird flaps its wing to create lift and twists its tail to change direction. Question number 4. What decision did Kalam make while standing on the seashore? Do you remember that standing on the seashore only what Dr. Kalam decided? He wanted to study the concept of flying. So then and there only he decided that he wanted to study the concept of flying. So you can write, while standing on the seashore, Dr. Kalam decided that he wanted to study about the concept of flying. Last one. What subjects did Kalam study to attain his goal in life? What was his subject? What was the subject of Dr. Kalam? What he decided to study? He decided to study what? Physics. And after studying physics, he became a engineer, he became aeronautical engineer to attain his goal in life. So you can write that Dr. Kalam studied physics, engineering and aeronautical engineering to attain his goal in life. I repeat, Dr. Kalam studied physics, engineering, and aeronautical engineering to attain his goal in life. So exercise A and exercise B you will do in your fair copy. But before doing this, what you have to do? You have to write the difficult words and their meanings. Thank you. Thanks for watching.